What's up, guys? And in today's video, we're going. Hold up, my cameras, bro. Today we're gonna be like doing stage. We're gonna be doing war with revolvers. Let's go. Alright, let's go. What's up?
Hi. I'm getting mad. What the power?
I'm gonna explode some people today.
You okay?
Yo,
everybody kill the soccer team.
It's having a revolver. What are you?
Bro, what is the soul crazy dude doing?
If having a revolver is your power, what are you with that?
Shut up, bro. Actually, shut up.
I'm building a stage box. No, I don't want to. Tell me to stop, bro.
Yeah, well, you have to. Huh?
You can get,
Shut up like a good boy.
What the fuck?
Now. He's red one.
I'm so laggy.
Crap. Oh, crap.
Water bottle man.
Only 80
Bad boy. Bad boy.
You're the real bad boy.
Who's the black Jacob? No, who's the black Jacob? Who's the black Jacob? Who just killed him?
Dingling.
What is the worst? Where's soccer team?
If being a turkey is your... Oh shit. Oh shit.
He's mine. If you're a weapon. Why do you have eyes?
If your power is your mom, what are you without it?
Oh, my fingers slip. Don't grab the gun. Don't grab the gun, I mean. Yo, can I have a taxi? Taxi at the entrance of stage 5. Taxi.
Oh, get me out of here.
Where do you need to go?
Like over there.
Who's up there?
Thanks, man.
Bunch of revolver ammo, anybody?
Welcome.
Hey! I'm scared! Oh, sorry. You triggered my scaredness.
He's dead. And he's dead.
How are you headless? How are you headless? Do you have the Roblox headless but in VR?
Helicopter right at stage 5. Helicopter right at stage 5.
How are you headless? How are you headless, bro? How are you headless?
Yo, everybody, turn into
Wait, how do you get the rock? Where's the rock item?
It's a pet rock.
Oh, I see it.
I'm Jim.
I can't too. I want the ride.
Jeremy is here. Yeah, Jeremy is
The
here.
other side of stage 5 is now open for visitors. Not perhaps in my first round.
Hey, can you give me the rock so I can scan it? Because I don't own it.
Jeremy, you're not my. Jeremy, you're
Oh, rock! Hey, I see a rock. Let me scan it. Wait, I want to become part of the rocks. Let me become part of the rocks.
Without it.
Yo, could I have a helicopter? Okay. Who wanted to be part of the rocks?
Me! Can I have a rock?
Leader.
I want to be part of the
I
rocks.
am Jeremy. I am
Can I have
Jim
some
Bob.
rocks?
Yeah, I'm Jim Bob, and I'm the leader of this team. Yeah.
Okay.
Can I join your team? I'm the transporter.
Yeah.
Hey, can I have some rocks, bro?
To be honest, I wasn't
Everybody
really expecting
attack
to
the
be
guy
a
with
team.
the
I was just
love this game.
trying
You
to
just
be
have a
something.
rock, bro.
There's the light.
Yeah.
What are you without it? I'm not good. I'm a good.
What in the drink? What in the drink?
Mike, mommy said I'm handsome. If you are not, what are you without?
Can I have a rock?
I'm so laggy. I don't know what to expect from war codes, but I never expected this type of lag.
Turn into a
No,
rock.
I'm
Turn
the
to a
real
rock.
goddamn
Hey, rock.
big. I'm the real soccer team.
Here, wait, I need to.
I'm the real Socrates. We're not the real.
Here, let me turn into the rock.
What are you without?
I'm the leader of the rock team. Okay.
Can I kill random people? Can I kill random
I am
people?
the rock transporter.
You killed. Okay. You killed the orange skeleton guy. He betrayed me.
All rocks. Target is orange skeleton. We'll go.
I see him! I see
Wait a
him!
minute. All rocks report to the other side to stage 5 again. No. Rock taxi going to the end of stage 6. Underneath your power. If you your power, what are you without?
It's the kill this man!
Die! Dang it! What's up?
Yeah! It's a weapon! Your power! It's the revolvers your power! What are you without them? Get rid of him! Somebody give me a nut shredder! Give me a nut shredder! I need to shred this thing! Somebody give me a nut shredder! I need your power! Put it actually no like shred the swastika! It's a crowbar your power! What are you without him? Socrates without a crowbar. If revolvers are your power, what are you without? We right here is the power. What are you without it?
Shut up! That's better.
Hey, I was asking a question.
Whoa, you're so tough, dude. You were asking a question. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry.
Yes, please.
Stupid plane. Die. Oh, let's go.
I'm just a big bag.
Okay.
No.
If your gun is your power, what are you without it?
I don't know.
Oh no!
If this is your power, what are you without it?
All right, I'm getting off, bruh.
It's just been sitting there.
Hello.
If trying to shoot Socrates
I
with
have
your
time.
power. What is it? What? You know? It's something.
It's the dead. If the robots, your power, what are you without it? What
Well,
kind of
guys,
device is this?